Is your Windows 10 internet running incredibly slow and stealing your bandwidth? It's probably this hidden setting. It's called delivery optimization. By default, Windows 10 might be using your PC to send updates to other random computers on the internet. This means slower downloads for you, higher ping in games, and unexpected data uses. Especially bad if you have a slow connection or data cap. Here's how to fix it. Go to Start menu, click on Settings. In Settings, click on Update and Security. In left menu pane, you will find Delivery Optimization. Click on Delivery Optimization. If you turn this on, your PC may send parts of previously downloaded Windows Update and apps to PCs on your local network or on the internet. That means it will consume your bandwidth and your CPU highly. To prevent this issue, you can turn off allow downloads from other PCs or go to advanced options and you can limit download and upload settings. Click on limit how much bandwidth is used for download updates in background. Click on here and you can set it 1 Mbps and then limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the foreground. Click here and you can set here 3 Mbps or you can set percentage of measuring bandwidth. Click on here. Click limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading update in background and limit how much bandwidth used for downloading updates in foreground. You can take it 50% and upload settings. Limit how much bandwidth is used for uploading updates to other PC. Just set it 10% and monthly update limit 100 Mbps. In this way, you can control your Windows 10 computer's delivery optimization and optimize your Windows 10 performance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any opinion, post a comment and I will reply accordingly. Thank you.